What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another day on the path to $30,000 a month. We are at day 57 on the path to $30,000 a month, which is crazy. So I'm hoping everyone is having a good morning. Mine's starting a little late. It is Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day to all of you, and especially to all of you that have served our country. Thank you very much. So since we've gotten our client orders out that were super important, I'm gonna be working on some FBA shipments today. I'm gonna try to get those out for Tuesday. I have a big shipment of mug boats coming in today at my apartment, so I may stop by and grab those. I also may be going to a party a little later, so I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I appreciate every single one of you watching my videos. It means the world to me. And also, at the time of filming this clip, we're at 1499. We are almost at 1,500 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you to all of you that are supporting me in this journey. Anyways, I don't want to take up any more of your time. Let's get to the video. All right, so I just started, cleaning up a little bit, getting ready to cut out this vinyl piece. This is the cat decals. I'm now de-weeding the cat decals. Now I'm putting some transfer tape over the cat decals. And then I ended up laminating or cutting out laminate to match the 8.5 by 14 because this is my sticker paper. If you haven't seen my sticker paper, it's in the links in the description, called Craftmate. It's on Amazon and it's also on my website at craftmatepaper.com. And that's what I'm laminating now and creating stickers that I'm going to ship out for FBA. All right, so now we're starting to get our stickers ready to ship out. So I'm packaging them all up at the moment. I am labeling all of these SKUs, and so I'm counting them here, and then I'm wrapping them, I'm sealing up the packages, and then now I'm labeling them all up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to package them up and send it to the FBA warehouse. All right, so I just got back from my apartment and picked up this back package right here. That package has all my stickers from my supplier that I'm sending into the warehouse as well. So not only the stickers I just put in this video today, but I got another package that's already done. All I gotta do is label them, ship them in. I was thinking about ending my day right there, but you know I can't stop, so I ended up doing a whole bunch of single SKU or single pack labeling. So then I'll do the 3 packs tomorrow, but at least I got a head start. I ended up doing like 25 pieces per SKU. And so I ended up doing that. And this took a little bit of time, but having a supplier create them for me and all I have to do is label them is cakewalk compared to what kind of printer that I've been using and cutter. It just takes a lot longer. So this is way more convenient. I definitely am excited about that by the end of this year, and hopefully being able to be completely remote and having people just label these for me, because the supplier actually ended up costing 4 times the cost of the same sticker without getting labeled. So if the label was like another 3 times as much, so I ended up just labeling myself manually. Okay, now we're gonna go over yesterday's income and see how much money we made. All right, before I forget, Google Ads, we are at $1.76 cost per click and 241 clicks at 3 cents a click. And we got 0 sales yesterday but we got 85 visitors, so not bad. And so our sales were $39.31 on eBay, which is pretty good. And then we made $61 or $65 on Shopify, and then $399.64 on Amazon, with a total of $504, which kind of saved me with the Shopify order. And we ended up making $16,551 this month already. We only have a few more days, so I'm not expecting 30K this month, but that's okay. We will get there. I promise you, with you guys helping me out, supporting me, believing in me, we will get there. So thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe down below. Make a video like this every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. And from there, we don't know yet. That's the maybe $60,000 a month goal. We don't know. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your Monday. Again, thank you for anyone that has served. Happy Memorial Day. I will see you guys tomorrow, which is Tuesday, for day 58, which is crazy. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.